underwear in there because you got a lot of underwear.
Hey, Margaret gave me underwear. Oh, thank you.
Mommy, this is to the king family. Save it all. Hold on. Ready to open, guys? Hold on. I'm giving these to Mom. Oh, we haven't found any present for you, Daddy.
Mommy, look how big I got a present. Look how big I got a present.
Yeah, look how big it is.
Everybody
It's
remember
huge.
I think I know what that is.
No, tell me.
I'm not going to.
Everybody rip up your presents in 5. Here, honey. 4.
Hold on, hold on. Oh.
Aw.
5. 4.
No, wait.
3. 2. 1.
No, wait. On your mark. Get back, Mama. On your mark.
Get set.
Get set. Go!
It's a big doll. It's a snowball. It's a big doll. It's a big doll in one, Mommy. Mommy, look what Santa brought me.
Oh, they were Adam.
Huh?
What the
Oh,
hell is this?
it's a create your own animation stuff.
John.
3D art.
John.
I'm opening my second present.
That is huge.
Oh, yeah, I'm opening my second present.
Wait, I think that's not yours.
Yeah, it is mine. This one was to me. Yep, that was to me.
A camera.
Let me see. What is it? Oh,
Car.
read it. It's an MP3.
A snow globe.
Awesome. A new one.
A crammer.
But it's also got like it's got like flashcards and stuff like that, so that way you can learn your school stuff.
Stand up here, Lena. Hold it up.
Mommy, it's almost the same height.
Wow. And you all look alike.
Headphones.
Her name's Olivia, I think. I'm not sure. So, for the, what you call it,
Headphones.
Hey, little Froggy. Froggy went a courting.
Mommy, I can't open this. My cousin.
Sure, Amanda.
Pixels.
we almost got all the same thing.
Me and Catherine got a Moxie girl.
Let's check what's in here.
File.
Oh my gosh!
I didn't know who
Mommy! John!
What is it?
It's the stuff.
I think I got that before at my mom's, but not from Santa.
Mommy!
And also got this movie.
Wood workshop! Need to know DL.
Yeah, and he also gave you a hammer.
I know from my stocking.
Hey!
A what?
This is what I wanted from the Disney store.
Mommy, I know. That's for me. Mommy, what is this?
Glow stick. It's Taylor Swift's glow stick. She signed it.
She did.
She did.
Hand it back, John
What is it?
Bob. Or I'll fight you.
Oh.
I love this Christmas. It's the best Christmas ever.